Coverage you can count on continuing with more back and forth over the redistricting maps that have already been signed into law by Governor Brian Kemp. The feud between one member of our local legislative delegation and a county commissioner is heating up. Here's News Channel 6's Sen Jones.
If Mr. Frantum received that, that's something that we should have known about.
Augusta Commissioner Alvin Mason is reacting to a Facebook post from fellow Commissioner Sean Frantum, where Frantum says the local redistricting committee never looked at the redistricting map signed into law by Governor Brian Kemp. Frantum claims State Senator Harold Jones and State Representative Wayne Howard wanted to present the map to the committee, but the committee declined. Mason, who is on the local committee, explains why they did not consider the state senator's map.
We did not ask for that to happen. We didn't ask for any additional people to do up a map. We could have asked for a consultant like we did in 2011. We didn't.
Mason says a similar issue happened in 2011 when a lawsuit was filed over the district maps and a federal judge had to redraw the district lines.
Then Senator Hardy Davis, Representative Barbara Sims, and Senator Jesse Stone got together and drew their own map. And see, that's one of the reasons why I immediately dismissed it, because of what happened back then, and then it ended up in the court.
Frantum's Facebook post also accuses Howard and Jones, who are Democrats, of helping to put the map together. Opponents of the map say it dilutes the black vote by moving a predominantly black precinct, Precinct 309, into Commission District 5, which is predominantly black and Democratic.
That's inaccurate. What you do is you ask the IT department, or you ask the legislative reapportionment up here in Atlanta, and you say, can you improve on the map, or can you give us another draft?
Senator Jones says that Frantum is using the incorrect terminology to describe what really happened. He says he did not draw up any map, but requested that another one be drafted by the state, because not everyone agreed on the maps that were approved by the ad hoc committee.
That's exactly what the ad hoc committee did. They asked the IT department, we're not satisfied with the map. Can you improve it? IT department came back with 3 other maps. Did he draft those? Was he in the room drafting those? See, his language is very silly. I mean, if he was, then he needs to say that. But that's not what takes place.
Commissioner Mason says regardless of who did what, we should not lose focus on the bigger picture, which he says is that our redistricting process was hijacked.
This should have never happened, no matter who was involved.
In Augusta, I'm Sen Jones, WJBF, News Channel 6.
Now, we did reach out to Commissioner Frantum for comment, but he says he's waiting for more information before he speaks publicly.